Hello everybody, today we will create a math quiz using Python and what we had learned before in the past videos. And also let me tell you, we are trying in these days to make some projects so we can check that we had understood the videos or no. So let's start. So first of all, we need to create a new file. And for example, let's name it by what mathquiz.py. Okay, but before you start typing your code, you need to know what the app will do. What is the process? First of all, it will ask for what the answer. So it types the question and you answer. And then the if statement checks if this is right or wrong, and then it will go if statement right, print, and if statement wrong, type. And okay, so first of all we need to put a hash and put a comment. So let's say creating our inputs. But wait a second, before you start typing your what inputs, immediately the next line it's if statement. Okay, and also we need only to enter numbers, but here we cannot because the if statement will not work, so we will need to be what string. Okay, because if we make this input as an integer like numbers, the if statement will not work properly. Okay, so now we will create here 3 questions so the video is not long. So let's say question number 1 equals, for example, let's say an input. Okay, and here let's say 12 what plus 6. Okay, and now we will create the if statement. So here put the hash and type creating what if statement. Okay, and here we will what say if what q1 equals what the answer is 18. What to do? Print what fantastic, for example. Okay, and here we will what type else. If it's wrong, print what false. Okay, so let's say false. Okay, and then here we will create the question number 2. So keep an empty line and type q2 equals to, for example, let's say what an input. So we'll type input, and then here let's say 13 minus 11. Okay, so here what we will do, we will put here we will put the if statement, and here q2 equals to 2. Okay, so 13 minus 11 equals 2, and then print for us, please, let's say correct. Okay, and here if it's wrong, what to do? Print, for example, wrong answer. Okay, and here we will do an empty line and type q3, and let's say equals to an input, and let's say 50 what divided by 10. Okay, so it's equals to what? 5. So here we'll do if Q3 equals to 50, 10, so 5, what to do? Print awesome, for example. Okay, and here if wrong, else print false. Okay, so let's check if it's working properly or no. So we'll open it and let's try answering some questions right and some question wrong. Let's answer this right. For example, it's 18, so it's type for us. Fantastic. Yes, it's working. If this one is working, let's check here and type anything. 45. Wow, it's entering wrong answer. Let's say 5. Wow, it's pretty cool. Let's run it again, and let's say 18 to 5. So I hope that you had understood. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and bye.